Let's start by grating our tomatoes into a bowl and then put them on the side. Peel the onion, cut it in half and then slice it finely. For this recipe you don't have to do it very fine, you can leave it a little bit bigger pieces if you like, just to have the texture. Next is the garlic, and the usual way to do the garlic is to chop the two sides, one of its end, and then smack it with a knife to just gently break it. It's the easiest way to peel off a garlic without giving you too much trouble. Then proceed into cutting it into fine pieces. When we have all our ingredients ready, it is time for us to start the actual cooking. Add some olive oil at the bottom of the pot, try and cover the most of it, and then add the onions along with the garlic. Mix them well and let them cook for a minute or two until they're getting a little bit of color. Once that is done, add the minced meat, mix it well and keep cooking it until it gets a nice brown color. When that happens, you are ready to add your tomatoes. Give it a mix and let it cook. In the meantime, the water should be ready and salted to add the spaghetti, and let cook them accordingly to the package. While we are waiting for the minced meat to cook and for the pasta to cook, it is time to create our bechamel. In this recipe we're using the ready mix box, which requires 1 liter of milk and the content of the sachet. And then with the hand mixer we're going to mix until we get a nice firm mixture. When that is done and the pasta is done and the minced meat is ready, we're going to take our oven tray and we're just going to pour in there all the spaghetti that we have. Then we're going to start creating some layers, starting with Parmesan cheese. Of course, you're going to always add as much as you like. Then on top of that, we're going to put the entire quantity of our minced meat. While cooking this, I have to let you know that you don't need to leave a lot of sauce in there. We don't need the sauce in this recipe. So I am using a perforated spoon just to make sure I don't pick up a lot of the sauce. Then add more Parmesan cheese on the top and then cover everything thoroughly with the bechamel. Make sure all this pasta is underneath the bechamel, otherwise it's going to dry up, become really hard to the point that you can actually break a tooth. Then sprinkle some nutmeg on the top, and as extra, if you like, extra Parmesan. Then put it in the oven at 180 to 200 degrees for 20 minutes until it's done. When it's nice and red, as you can see here, it is ready to come out. Cut it in pieces and you're ready to serve. Please note that you should let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. If you cut it as we do on the stream very soon as it comes out of the oven and still piping hot, you will not be able to plate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So if you do make this, let us know down below on the comments what you think about it, if it was tasty, easy to do, and anything else you think you should add to your comments. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and help the channel grow. I will see you on the next recipe.